always a line at Mathoo's egg rolls. And honestly, today it's short and I'm lucky. Usually it's known to stretch a half-mile long. When you're coming to the farmer's market, you can smell them as you're walking up.
I came last week and they were sold out.
I just had one like 10 minutes ago and it was really good, so I'm here to get more.
They're crispy and fresh. The dipping sauce that comes with them.
Gotta have the sauce.
Mathoo in Laos means grandma. It's an ode to my mom. She is the matriarch of our family. She's the one that started all this. Growing up in Laos, that was their livelihood. You know, food and making food, and it's you really respect the land and what it provides for you and what it gives you. Mom would get off her second shift job. My parents worked at a factory, and they would both get off of work, and they were taking orders from their co-workers. There were times when they were coming home at 11:30 and would prepare to do 100 dozen egg rolls. Back then I didn't even realize the sacrifices that they were making until I had my own kids. So, and doing what I'm doing now, I'm very grateful for the work ethic that they have instilled in me.
All right,
Okay,
ready?
I'm ready.
The egg rolls have to be tight.
As I'm rolling, I'm holding this down and pushing this back.
And then just a little bit
Yep,
of this.
just a little bit of the glue.
Is that too loose? How's that
That'll
look?
definitely fry up.
There's something really therapeutic about repetitive motion, isn't it? Probably solve all your problems right here at this table.
Usually it's food problems, what's going to be for lunch and what's going to be for dinner.
You
Yeah,
did
we
like
tend to talk
40.
about food.
Oh no, some of these are Josh's too.
Are you re-rolling mine?
No, this was sitting over there.
Just checking.
No.